Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead.
Homestead?
We're just here to show you the garden tour of 2021. Remember the snow peas? In the wintertime? Well, in the raised beds, so far we've got lettuce coming up.
Only in one spot?
Only in one, well, there's two there.
We've had so many problems with our direct seeds this year. One zucchini out of the whole
another
row.
one on the other side there as well.
No. Oh, over there.
Yeah, on the other side.
In the other bed. And
Yeah.
that had a whole row and only one came up there.
Yeah, I don't get it.
I don't get it
either.
either.
It's a great mix of dirt.
Yeah.
So.
And we had the same problem with the acorn squash. Not a single one came up.
No.
And they were new seeds.
Yeah. But what is this stuff? Lettuce?
That's a wild type lettuce. Those in the middle are weeds.
They're growing good.
I couldn't get to just
weeds
yet.
Grow great.
I know. These are the pickling cucumbers. Thank God they're doing good. Our bucket potatoes, they're full. They're full now. They're just waiting to do what they got to do.
Yeah. They're very pretty. They're very.
I'm putting radishes in this bucket.
Yeah. As we fill it.
Now,
over here, we have cucumbers again.
Yeah.
Going up that side, and I just planted on the other side there, that other row. Rolling the Wonder Bean.
Oh, good. Are they coming up?
There. No, not yet. They will soon.
Okay. Our garlic is almost ready, eh?
I know. It's not far.
Almost.
Not far from it.
The bulbs are too small right now.
And on this side, I got the green rolling Wonder Beans.
Oh, on that side's the yellow?
And that side's the yellow, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it'll be quite a mixture. That'll be great.
And when we pull the garlic, what are we putting in here?
I don't know. We might put carrots because they're quick, right? And radishes.
I got carrots down there in the ground, so.
How are they doing?
I don't want to talk about it.
Well, I'll never know. We'll have to go take a look. That's why she won't talk about it. Our grapevines are coming up really well. Except this one, he died. Now, we've had a lot of problems with gypsy moths around here. And I found this.
Andy,
What?
I'm sorry.
Oh,
he didn't die.
Oh, he didn't die.
I told you I'd water him anyway, even though you said he's dead.
Yeah, I do too. I see him right there.
Oh, yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
There,
so
no
we've had
death.
a lot of problems with gypsy moths this year. And I found the only thing that, other than soap and water, you can do that, but this really works well. It's a fly spray for horses, but it's a water base, and you can spray right on potatoes and it's harmless. But it's got that eucalyptus in it. You can really smell it. So I put them on the trees. I sprayed the base of the trees because I noticed they were from the trees up there falling off the leaves onto them.
Yeah.
And yeah.
But it's expensive, so we will be resorting to soap and water when we bought two at the beginning of the season. And when they're done, they're done.
Yeah, excuse the look of them, but Peg didn't whippersnip.
He's right, Peg did not whippersnip. I was gonna yesterday and it rained. Be gentle with our blueberries.
Yeah.
They didn't grow much this year so far.
Yeah, they grew pretty good, not too bad.
These ones aren't doing bad.
These ones are.
Oh, what was that?
Leopard frog. See, they got the little bells on them.
Yeah.
And let's see what these ones are like.
I wonder if we'll be able to get even one this year without the birds
without the birds
eating
getting them. That's a good question.
They must have needed it more than we did.
And this one here, oh, there he goes again.
Oh, there.
There he is.
I almost hurt him. I hurt another one by mistake doing the gardening. Look at that. Run away from me.
And here's our blackberry bush.
Thank you, neighbor.
Yeah.
It's not doing too bad considering it was just transplanted.
Yeah.
It's got new growth.
And our honeysuckle. Oh, these are the ground cherries. Look, there's a nice green one frog in there.
Another one.
Yeah.
Wow, we must have healthy dirt for them. There he is.
I don't see any of the ground cherries. Did they die out?
I think. Well, no, I think that's what these are here.
Oh, maybe? Okay.
Yeah, but they're not doing very well.
Oh, right here, huh?
Yeah, they're coming.
Okay,
I got about 7 up.
Yeah. These darn deer flies.
What did you call that? Your honeysuckle?
Honeysuckle, yeah.
And then after we bought it, we went for a trail ride and Oh my Lord.
Oh,
Like
they were all over the woods.
every 10 feet there was
Yeah.
another wild honeysuckle.
Different types, 3 different types that
Yeah,
we've seen.
so we will harvest some.
Oh yeah, I'd like to get all this. Wouldn't that be beautiful?
It would.
All honeysuckle? Wow.
Now we have some sad news for this is all, I got to replant here.
Now what was here?
I didn't plant anything. Oh, there?
Yeah.
Right here is the
Loofah.
loofah, and I think it died.
Maybe.
I don't see anything
Well, we'll see.
there. And over here
There's the
was,
gourds.
yeah, this is my birdhouse gourd. It's doing okay. Only one plant came up.
1, 2.
Oh, 2.
Yeah.
But I got to replant everything along
Look at
this
this.
row. I'm going to weed and pull.
There's their sunflowers.
Look at the sunflowers, guys.
Little
We
rabbit.
planted like 80 of them, and they were all up, and rabbits come, and I think that's maybe revenge for the ready wrapped rabbit you caught in the winter and you cooked up. There's more dead.
You see it, Suki?
Dead.
Good girl.
There's another one dead.
Yeah.
They just eat the tops
They eat the
off
tops.
them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
All the way down. They're all dead. Gone.
12 just down this row from Andy on.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's a shame.
So Andy drives around the property on the lawn tractor with his pellet gun on his lap.
Just me a rabbit.
And this is your apple.
This is Honeycrisp apple.
Yeah.
They are a good apple.
I know.
Really good apple.
Touch wood that they do okay because of those
Stupid. They
bugs.
just spray it like this. Right here. It keeps them off there from going up.
Yeah. And the elderberry's
There's the
doing
elderberry.
good.
They're doing great. Look at the little flowers.
I
Beautiful.
know, they really are. They look so much like a Queen Anne's lace. Eh?
Look how big the old ones got.
Yeah.
They really got tall.
We'll
And
get
I've
really
even sprayed
good.
these too because of the gypsy moths.
Yeah, they're horrible. Shall we say hi to the girls?
Yeah, let's go say hi to the girls.
We had another, what was this bush called?
Dead. I don't know what it's called. I don't know.
A neighbor gave it to us, and yeah, it just didn't make
It's
it.
not working out.
Hello, ladies. Hello. You guys get the only shade on the property. Yeah, probably why I sit with you so much. We feed them a lot of vegetables, fresh vegetables. A sunflower, voluntary sunflower here. And we have cucumber seeds from their fresh cucumbers is growing here. Hello, love. How are you? You had salad this morning, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, and we have, let me just break in on this private moment she's having. Bathing.
Okay, potatoes are coming up great. Corn is doing wonderful. So we got 4 rows of corn, 1 whole row of potatoes plus the buckets.
I just hilled these yesterday. We've just been so busy with appointments. We didn't have time to get out here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the corn's doing good at the top of the hill, eh?
Yeah.
So we got our potatoes in buckets
Yep.
and a big long. How long is this row?
The other end.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 8 gladiolas
Yeah.
came up. Cabbage is doing really, really well.
Really good, yeah.
The tomatoes have picked up. Peppers are doing well. Some of them you got flowers on already. And I pinched them all so that there's nothing growing from the bottom up like Nina and Boyce told us to.
Look what I found in the dirt.
What is it?
Dinky toy.
Oh, bring it in. I'll clean that up. Check the date.
Yeah.
The onions haven't had their first haircut yet. We were late getting our onions in, but they seem to be doing okay. 3 rows there.
Now these are going to be, I'm putting the sticks on so I can put a wooden fence up so that they can climb up on it,
Okay.
onto the wooden fence, which would be nice, and it's free. I like that.
What else you got here?
Peppers over here.
Are these your hot peppers?
Yeah.
Whoops.
These are Carolina Reapers.
Nice.
These two.
And
the other ones are Apache.
what kind of tomatoes are these coming up back there?
Back over here?
Yeah.
Those are, something boy. Good boy or red boy.
I always have to send Andy out on a wild goose chase during pickling season for dill. I'm gonna have to get in here quickly and do some weeding, but I got a whole row of dill coming up.
Yeah, it's coming up nice too.
Yes, and I got a bucket with dill too in case this didn't. These
Oh,
are the
there you go.
carrots, guys.
Where?
Right in front of you.
Oh,
I know, where? I think I see one right in there.
down there I can see them.
Yeah. Puh. What a waste.
Not very good.
I might just go ahead and plant something else there.
Yeah, really. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Some more peppers here. Can't remember what they are.
Doesn't
There
it
was a
look
spoon
nice
here.
though, sweetie?
Yeah, it does.
I know.
Oh,
We like
those are jalapenos. That's right.
coming out in the evening and playing in the garden more. I did a really big weed job, what, 2-3 days ago, hon?
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna die at the end. Wasn't so much pleasure.
No, I know.
Am I ever glad that grape has survived?
That what?
The grape.
Oh, I know. I'm very happy with that.
Yeah, I didn't want to give up on it.
No. It shouldn't pass away like that because it's been there for years. Like not there.
No, in 2 years it was transplanted twice.
Yeah.
So, you know, you take a chance.
Yeah.
Take a chance.
Huh.
You really want to check that out, eh?
Well, it's melted.
Oh.
The windows are all melted. But it's a car. So this is the winter garden. I mean the summer garden. And I think by August we'll have quite a harvest coming in. And a lot of work.
We still have a lot of replanting to do
Oh,
too.
yeah.
It's really hard to tend to it when we're out and about all the time.
Yeah.
Go tomorrow to Kingston.
Yeah. To my doctor, my respirologist.
See what he's got to say.
Yeah.
They might as well all have some input.
Yeah, they can all tell me what to do.
We'll have another video out soon,
Yeah,
guys.
very soon.
I think we'll be doing our garlic pretty soon. And
Not just that, I want to do fermenting Brussels sprouts.
Ooh, yeah.
But there's a special type that I want to do of this that you could eat now. It's just beautiful. Oh, you're gonna die for it.
Are we going to be able to get it? The special
Oh, yeah.
type?
Oh yeah. I
Yeah?
hope
I hope so too. You promised them.
so. Yeah, I will. And I will deliver.
Where's the bell?
It's right there. Ding, ding, ding. We'll see you next time on the next video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Peg says it's right here, but I don't believe it's probably over here. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.